फ्रेंड्स को भी फोन करना था क्योंकि आई हैव टू गेट अ स्टूपिड असाइनमेंट डन। 9 बजने वाला है, आई डोंट हैव द फोन, आई कैन इवन कॉल एंड शी डजंट इवन नो कि मुझे इतनी भूख लग रही है। आई एम सो टायर्ड, आई हैव टू डू माय प्रेजेंटेशन। शाला आपको फोन करना है एंड आई जस्ट डोंट हैव द फोन टू डू सो। दिस इज द वर्स्ट डे।
Pick it up. Now pick your phone up. Pick it up, pick it up. Now pick your phone up.
कितने फ़ोन है आपके पास?
एक फ़ोन है।
हाँ जी, मेरे पास फ़ोन है।
मैं 5 साल से फ़ोन यूज़ कर रही हूँ।
हाँ फ़ोन है पर उसको हम कम यूज करते हैं, को टेंशन है फ़ोन बहुत बड़ी हुई।
हाँ मेरे पास फ़ोन है, मैं 2 साल से फ़ोन को चलाती हूँ। करीब 5 साल से फ़ोन रखते हैं।
मैंने फ़ोन 16 साल की उम्र में लिया था।
हाँ जी, फ़ोन है हमारे पास।
नहीं फ़ोन रखते ही नहीं है।
ये हमारे पास फ़ोन है।
My day starts with my phone. I keep my alarm on. So as soon as I get up with the Bismillah, the first thing I do is check my phone. And then the second thing I do is on my internet and I see my WhatsApp messages because I've got loads of them throughout the night. Then I answer them. And then whatever my routine goes on and I need to go to college as soon as possible. जब मैं कॉलेज जा रही होती हूँ मुझे एटलीस्ट 3-4 कॉल्स आ ही चुके होते हैं कि सर आ चुके हैं, you're late and stuff like that. And according to my messages, I hurry up. नहीं तो अगर मुझे कोई मैसेज नहीं आता है, I'm pretty laid back and I procrastinate and मैं आराम से जाती हूँ. Unfortunately मुझे absent लग जाता है. And class में we have a whole WhatsApp पे group chat of the whole class. And that's what we keep doing. We keep clicking random pictures and then we post on our group on WhatsApp and then we go all funny and we go weird and that's how हमारा पूरा time pass होता है. And about 2-3 times I've got warnings कि don't use it and even the CR of my class they keep telling कि यार अभी मत use करो. But who stops? I don't stop. I still use it.
It's been there sometime, when we were sitting together and we're having a cup of chai and she's just into her phone and we are talking to her, she's the subject, and all of a sudden I was like, Noreen, are you even listening to us? And she's like, yeah, okay, what were you saying? Which definitely annoys me a lot and my other friends as well.
I think 80% मेरा ध्यान मोबाइल में रहता है and 20% of what they're talking, and usually they have to take my name thrice or 4 times to really get my attention. And they complain a lot and I really don't. So unfortunately मैं जितना अपने फ़ोन पर कनेक्टेड रहती हूँ दोस्तों से, जो लोग मेरे आसपास रहते हैं मैं उनसे नहीं हो पाती because I have to be socializing, but literal social नहीं हो पाता because unfortunately I become bad. I lose the track of the people who are around me. I think in 24 hours जिसमें से शायद 16 घंटे मैं शायद फ़ोन यूज़ करती हूँ. Continuous मोशन तो मुझे पता नहीं, but constantly I have this urge of using my mobile. Okay, yeah, I understand, but वो D40 इतना घटिया है तो D50 कैसा होगा? And I know I shouldn't be saying that, but you know what मैंने कल क्या realize करा? I have this digital camera and मेरी आदत इतनी हो चुकी है on the focusing thing, right? And मुझे डिजिटल कैमरा मुझे पसंद नहीं. I want a DSLR. I have 2 smartphones and एक में दिल्ली की सिम है और एक में भोपाल की सिम है. And जब एक ऑफ हो जाए तो I start using another because I constantly need one. Every second of the day I need it for some of the other reason. Maybe उसमें कोई application है. Maybe I'm using it for reading a surah. Maybe I'm using it for finding searching on the net or my mails जो कि हमें constantly teachers mail करती हैं, or it can just be using games because you're getting bored or you want to de-stress yourself. I face actually a lot of problems when it comes to usage of mobile क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. Usually when I come from college I'm very tired but I am blasted with messages. So I am very tired and I still have to go through the whole process of calling, talking, messaging. That causes me headache. Usually I come with a headache, but I resist taking medicines. But जब ज़्यादा होता है तो obviously you have to. Second, when I am very sleepy, like just last night, project करके I was up till 2, and then for a whole hour I talked to my sister through WhatsApp. I was so tired, मेरे almost आँखों में से आंसू निकल गए थे. Not because, just because it was so painful for me to message.
आज हर व्यक्ति के हाथ में मोबाइल फ़ोन आ गया है और अगर हम ये कहें कि मोबाइल के बिना ज़िंदगी अधूरी है तो निश्चित रूप में मोबाइल के बिना ज़िंदगी अधूरी है. आज जो व्यवसायी है उसका भी जीवन मोबाइल के ऊपर आधारित होकर के रह गया है. जो डॉक्टर है उसका भी जीवन मोबाइल के ऊपर आधारित होकर के रह गया है. छात्रों को तो आप लोग देख ही रहे हैं, कोई भी छात्र आपको ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा जिसके पास में मोबाइल फ़ोन ना हो.
So when I see electronics, then maybe we can categorize different kinds of issues that we have. This is the social area. If I share few of my experiences that I've recently come up with parents sharing with me, I just had a case recently reported to me wherein they were dwelling between the kid wants a tab and parents were like, we cannot right now, do you think he's in class 5th and should we give it a tab to him? And the reasons that they were giving was that other kids have it, so why shouldn't my son also have it?
बच्चे तो रखते हैं, बच्चे क्या सभी लोग रखते हैं आजकल फ़ोन को.
रह सकती हूँ मैं तो, कोई ज़्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन बच्चा मेरा नहीं रह सकता.
कितने साल पहले फ़ोन लिया था?
ये 2 साल पहले लिया था.
किसने फ़ोन दिलाया था?
पापा ने.
पापा ने फ़ोन क्यों दिलाया था?
गेम खेलने के लिए, गाने सुनने के लिए. फ़ोन में नेट चलाता हूँ, बात करता हूँ और वीडियो देखता हूँ, गाने सुनता हूँ.
So it's like, parents have, I don't know how many parents I meet every second day where they have this issue. Should we give the electronic or we should give the mobile phone to them, and what is the right age to give it to them? If I talk about the health issues that come up on the physical front, we can see cancer has been come up. In women, we have even found infertility as another issue. It does affect the ovarian reserves, it does affect the sperm count. Thirdly, that we have also come up with a disorder is the elbow disorder. We are always on the phone and we are keeping our elbow always folded. So that is also one of the physical issues. When you are busy on electronic goods, we have seen there are a lot of health, skin issues that have come up. There are acne coming up. Headache is also another area if I see. There's also the psychological factors. One area that we can see is coming up is insomnia, which is in a normal common language we'll tell us that sleep disorder, because you are so much busy in your electronic goods, your mind is always so hyper, it's always running. So we've seen there is restlessness at night, and there is also often an issue of depression, stress, that has also come up a lot.
मोबाइल के बिना मतलब रह नहीं सकते. उसमें सब सारा काम आजकल बेसिकली मोबाइल से होता है. किसी को मैसेज देना है, कुछ भी कॉल करना है, सब मोबाइल से होता है.
नहीं, मैं फ़ोन के बिना नहीं रह सकता.
मेरे से तो बिना फ़ोन के रह नहीं जाता. वो यूज़ करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, सारा दिन उसी में ही निकल जाता है.
आज फ़ोन एक अहम चीज़ हो गई है. बिगर फ़ोन के बहुत मुश्किल है रहना.
पहले बढ़िया थे हम जब फ़ोन नहीं था हमारे पास.
बच्चे फ़ोन रखे हम क्या करें, फ़ोन रख के कोई ज़रूरी तो नहीं है.
नहीं, फ़ोन एक ज़रूरत बनी है.
फ़ोन के बिना तो रहना मुश्किल है.
रह सकते हैं बट ज़्यादा 1, 2, 3 दिन, बट इससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि फ़ोन के बिना रह सकते हैं एक भी दिन.
I keep 2 phones and yeah, they're very important these days in order to keep in touch with, with my friends, with work, everything.
रह लेंगे, बिल्कुल रह लेंगे.
This would be very tough for me.
First of all, I hate you guys so much for actually taking my phone away, and I'll miss it. I don't think I can really live without it. But because it's an experimental thing, um, I don't like it. I don't like it. It's gonna be really hard for me to live without it. मुझे 5 मिनट भी नहीं होते, but it's okay. I hope you take care of my phone.
I don't think so. If she gets a chance to live without a phone, forget about a day. She might not even live for an hour.
Whenever we get our break time or whenever the class is over, the first thing I want is my mobile. And I absolutely forgot my mobile was taken away. And I was searching all over. Yaar, mera mobile kahan hai? And then my friend comes, Shadab, Noreen, you've already given it. And I'm like, oh, I remember. I want my phone back, like ASAP. I want to message and call my friends for hours. और मेरी आज meeting थी मेरे phone पर. I can't do that anymore.
You're not concentrating. Your mood swings because of the phone. The phone, they get spoiled then, and your mood was off.
Yeah.
Sudden.
हाँ, इसलिए अपना phone रख दो, मेरे सामने use करो, so I get all jealous and I want to use my WhatsApp. Cool.
For the time pass.
What, like dance?
Music चाहिए
उसके लिए music चाहिए, dude. I use my MP4. Sorry, I can't even use it. And after every like 2-3 minutes, while we get down to the stairs to go back to our cafeteria, I'm constantly checking my pockets क्योंकि हमेशा मेरा मोबाइल मेरे pockets में रहता है. And I'm like, there's something missing. मेरी jeans बड़ी light लग रही है because I did not have my mobile. एक तो सारा phone नहीं. मुझे अपने friends को भी phone करना था क्योंकि I have to get a stupid assignment done. आज ना खाना आया है. एक तो उसको बोलना कम वक्त मैं इतना बार बोल चुकी that I want my food by 7:30 and she does not even send me the food. 9 बजने वाला है. I don't have the phone. I can't even call her and she doesn't even know कि मुझे इतनी भूख लग रही है. I'm so tired. I have to do my presentation and I have to go tell Shadab को phone करना है and I just don't have the phone to do so. This is the worst day.
At the last note, I would just want to say to the youth and the people, you know, of my age and along that I won't say that it's not good. The mobile phone should not be used because of them. You know, we have become a small, the whole world has become a, I would say, a closer unit. They have given us a lot of positive things. But of course, anything in excess can lead to a lot of damages. So, you know, I've already shared few of my experiences and also what are different kind of damages and disorders we can have. So, please try to use them, but use them in a limit so that it doesn't give you any negative effects.
बहुत देर तक रेगुलर यूज़ करने पे मोबाइल आँखों में पेन भी होता है, मतलब पानी भी निकलता है आँखों से, एंड कान भी थोड़ी देर के लिए सुन आता है कि थोड़ी देर बात करो फ़ोन पे.
मोबाइल यूज़ करना बहुत हार्मफुल होता है.
The vibrations are harmful. They affect the nerves of our body. The nervous system of our body is affected.
अपने फ्रेंड से चैट करने के लिए या फिर हमें उनसे कुछ बात शेयर करनी है उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं. मतलब काफ़ी चीज़ों के लिए आजकल थोड़ा यूज़फुल भी है और हार्मफुल भी है.
हाँ, मैं मोबाइल फ़ोन बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करता हूँ जिसकी वजह से मेरे सर में दर्द होता है और आंखों से पानी भी आता है.
Thank you. Shit, yaar. Because I've got like 280 messages. Can you believe it? Oh my god! ये तो बहुत important है. Sure, they're very important. Thanks.
हथियार बहुत ही पैना है, हथियार बहुत ही पैना है, हम पर भी इसका वार सदा, मामूली शस्त्र नहीं है ये, समझो इसकी हर एक अदा, जीवन को गति दिलाता है, ये श्राप बना देता है, इस जीवन को गति दिलाता है, ये श्राप बना देता है इसको, उपयोग करो चतुराई से, सारी बातें बोलें किसको। सामाजिक जीवन घुटा घुटा, सामाजिक जीवन घुटा घुटा, मानव विकास है रुका रुका, अश्लील हो रहा है जीवन, अंतर्मन मेरा रुका हुआ है, स्वास्थ्य यहाँ पर बिगड़ गया, आवारा जीवन खड़ा हुआ, महंगाई में है पांव धरा, मोबाइल से ये हाल हुआ।